The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that shows some things that happened within the country of Jamaica. Alright? And I'm presenting these videos to you so that you can have a look at them. You can also tell me what you think and to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now I'm going to warn you from right now that some of the scenes in these videos are somewhat shocking. Alright? So please bear that in mind. Alright? Now the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show something that some persons on social media call a homemade fake gun. You see me? Some persons on social media just call it a homemade gun, while some persons call it a fake gun. But however, viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media, you see me? And according to what has been said about this video on social media, it is said that this so-called homemade fake gun had been taken from a person who had been apprehended by a person or persons somewhere within the country of Jamaica, alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I wanted to please bear in mind that the informations that I got about this video, they are somewhat sketchy. I have no confirmed information if the person had been apprehended by a licensed firearm holder or not. I have no confirmed information if the person had been apprehended by one or more than one person. So please bear in mind that there might be more details about this video that I'm about to present to you, alright? Alright, but I'm just telling you according to what has been said on social media. Now, viewers and subscribers, I have no confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica this had happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this had happened, you see me? And I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, and I'm going to ask these questions. Is this a homemade gun, or is this just a fake gun? You see me? Because these two questions are being asked on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
You need this. Looking at yourself, don't talk to me. Once to some pros upstairs and ask them to make the vehicle arrive right now. Sooner than later. That's what you need to do. We don't want to hear nothing. Just want to see, are you when it comes so, or are you when it comes so? That's all we need to see.
But they give yes. Just what?
Enough. And I can tell you something. I have a photograph of your face.
Viewers and subscribers, one question I'm going to ask, you see me? Why would someone want to walk with something like that? You see me? And I'm talking about the so-called homemade fake gun, as to how some persons call it, you see me? In a time where you know that gun is a problem and those things, you see me? Why would someone want to walk with something like that? You see me? Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that, alright? And I'm going to move on to other videos right about now. Now, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are out on social media. And according to some things that have been said about these pieces of videos on social media, it is said that these pieces of videos shows persons who have been caught in the act of breaking and entering a place. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica this had happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this had happened. But however, it is said that these persons had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica, alright? Now, I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you, but before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos, they might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
And I have no respect for curfew. Now block people place. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, them surrender now. Alright. Where phone then?
I work with them. On the phone. And in a car? You never know car, man. Walker, so.
Where you say you come from? You get you?
She's pregnant.
That's why you block people place.
No, that is not the reason.
You know.
Where
Where you come from? Blue Clean. Where your name? Camara Black.
Since you don't live nowhere, I don't plan to live nowhere, I'm place so can go to live here. You get 3 meals a day, 24 hours secure.
Alright, well, I'm going to move on to more videos right about now, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to put together and present to you more pieces of videos that are out on social media. And according to some things that have been said on social media about these pieces of videos, and according to some things that have been said in some of these pieces of videos, it is said that these videos shows floodings that happened within the parish of St. Andrew, that is within the country of Jamaica, within the month of October, within the year 2020. You see? According to what had been said on social media about these videos, it is said that these videos shows floodings around the areas and are close by areas that are known as Bull Bay and Harborview. And those areas are said to be within the parish of St. Andrew, that's of the country of Jamaica. There's more details to these videos than what I just told you, my viewers and subscribers, you know. But I'm presenting these videos to you so that you can have a look at them. You can also tell me what you think, alright? Now, as I'm about to put together and present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Why? Umi? Them say one house a cave in for one woman up a shooter drill. So that's why the fire truck. Up a shooter drill is a go. Jesus Christ. See there? Oh my God. Just a praise to everybody alright. I'm just praying everybody alright. What's up? Yeah. No more than I never go and you fuck now. No, I'm somebody who work over.
So the land has finally given way and it's getting worse. That hill, this is by 7 miles going towards 8 miles in Bull Bay. And trust me, the hill has given way. And this is now the road and everything is going into the sea. Alright, so people, this is out by 7 miles at Harborview. There is currently a traffic standstill. Given the amount of water that is on the road, the traffic has backed up. Go right back. I am over by St. Benedict's. I'm trying to show you behind. So that is where the traffic is going. So there's a 3-lane traffic going one way or a traffic gridlock. Water is at the bonnets of some of these vehicles. Trust me, the water ain't pretty. So you have persons.
Bullshit! Nah, man, me can't go, man. Watch it. Bull Bay flood out. Nah, man, we can't go through after, man. Watch it. Jaja. Can't go through.
Viewers and subscribers, it had came to my attention that there's videos out on social media and there's reports out there about an incident that happened where it is said that a man had died and the man's daughter is said to be missing after a landslide that caused a house to collapse during rainfall within the place that is known as Shooter's Hill, that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that is within the country of Jamaica. Now, according to reports, it is said that this had happened on the 23rd of October 2020, and to my knowledge, up until 7 p.m. on the 23rd of October 2020, I got no information if they had found the missing female. You see me? And I'm talking about the missing female who is said to be the daughter of the man who had died. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so viewers and subscribers, if there's any update about this incident, I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to keep you up to date and post to let you know what's going on. Alright? Viewers and subscribers, there's also a video out on social media that shows a female who is said to be a relative of the man who had died, and the female who is said to be missing.
I heard boop. But I went outside to look because I think it was the front of the wall. I'm touring down, but my next door neighbor, same time running up and started to cry, Rosie, 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 the whole of your brother house gone.
This video shows this female talking about the incident that happened, where it is said that a man had died and a female is said to be missing after a house had collapsed because of a landslide that happened at Shooter's Hill, and that is in St. Andrew, Jamaica.
Me turn idiot. So me run come out and me look, me see my brother house. So me start run up and down and I look for the house.
Alright, this said to have happened on 23rd of October 2020. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about these incidents that happened within the country of Jamaica. You can also let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Una big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Entertainment.